I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm back with a lipstick video, and I know how much you guys love knowing about new lipsticks, especially if they are affordable. So today I'm not going to talk about just the shade that I'm wearing, but I'm going to talk about two more shades that I have over here. Now, I'm talking about these Blue Heaven non-transfer lipsticks. So I recently discovered them. I did not know about them and I wanted to try them out and talk about them because I saw all the buzz online. I saw, a lot of people saying that this is the best lipstick, this does not transfer, this and that. And the best part, this is a bullet lipstick. Now before I start with the review and with the swatches and everything, I do want to mention that you can get these lipsticks everywhere obviously, but if you want a little more discount, you can totally check out Simsim, the Simsim app. So do check out the link in my description box. And yes, let's get started with the video because I am very excited. So these lipsticks are called Blue Heaven non-transfer lipsticks. I'm going to mention the price on the screen right now. I don't really remember the price of these. I have actually 3 shades over here. They come in multiple shades. Like the shade range is like so huge that I had to sit down and just actually choose. So if you're just here for the swatches, I'll include a timestamp that's in the description box, so you can directly go to the swatches and save your time. But if you want to know more about these, then let me just do that. So first, let's talk about the packaging. This is the packaging. It's a plastic packaging. It comes with a cap that's not very flimsy, like it does not really feel cheap and all that. And the packaging is very light, so that makes it very easy to just carry it around. So I totally approve the packaging, and you can totally push up the lipstick by rotating this thing out here, and you can totally just take it down. So once it goes up, it's not like you're stuck and your lipstick is going to waste. So that is one thing. This is shaped in a very beautiful way, so it is really easy to apply on your lips. That is something that I have to give Blue Heaven. And you do get a click sound like this, so you know that your lipstick is now shut. So that is another thing that I truly appreciate, because there have been times when my lipsticks have been all over. The price on the packaging is written as 300 rupees Indian rupees, and it says it will be expiring on May 2022. So that's a pretty good shelf life. This contains 2.7 grams of product and you get it for 300 rupees, so that's a pretty decent price point. Now I have already worn it before this video. This is not the first time I'm wearing this. I've actually worn truffle brown so much, and this lasted me for a very long time. Like when I say long time, I mean very long time. It lasted me 2 full meals. It lasted me my snacks in between, and I actually wore it to office, and I wore it around 9 a.m. and it was fine and all of that. By 6 p.m, like when I went to the washroom, I was just taking a look at my lips. So by then I could still see a little bit of color, so it did not really go away because it is a matte lipstick and it is non-transfer proof, so it does dry your lips a little bit. So moisturize it very well, apply a good lip balm, exfoliate your lips before putting this on. But the staying power actually stunned me, you guys, because it stayed on for really long, especially the color I was wearing, truffle brown. It's not very it's not a loud color, it's like a very beautiful brown. So for that to last for so long, like 9 a.m. to 6 p.m, like the lipstick was still there. That was actually one of the best things. So those are the 2 things. Now secondly, coming to one of the biggest claims, that is, it is transfer proof. So I'm going to show you on camera right now whether it is transfer proof or not, because I already know the answer, but I'm going to show you. So there you go. So this is 100% transfer proof. Not even like it's transfer slightly whatever. No, this is 100% transfer proof, and it's a bullet lipstick. So I'm actually impressed. I am actually very impressed, because a good lipstick can change your mood, and for me it definitely does. It smells very bubblegumish, but a very strong bubblegumish fragrance scent, but thankfully it does not linger around once you apply it. you slightly get bothered by it like for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and then it's gone. You don't smell it anymore. That's nice, but the smell is actually very strong. So that is one of the things that, you know, irks me, because this thing is really nice. And now coming to the texture. So when you apply it on your lips, it does not dry your lips. You know, it feels like you're applying a normal lipstick. So you know, that's what actually surprised me. When I was applying it, I was like, ye to normal lipstick hai, so this will probably transfer. But then once I applied it, after like a few seconds, you know, it dried up and it was like all set. These were the things that I could talk about. If you want to know anything more, you can totally ask me in the comments. If I were to recommend these, I totally would actually, because it's so affordable, it's easily available. That is one of the biggest things. You can get it on Sim, you can get it on other sites, you can actually even get it, you know, in stores. If I were to rate this product out of 5, I would give it a 4.5. I'm taking away the point because the packaging is not very exciting to me. Like, this is the packaging and it is not very exciting to me. It's like lipstick hair. It's easy, it's nice, but not something, not very attractive. You know, I am someone who loves, you know, good packaging. So this is not really a great packaging. And secondly is the smell. Like, scent, it gives me a slight headache for 2 seconds. So these are the two things that bothers me. But other than that, I love this lipstick and I totally encourage you guys to go and check this out. Also, if you wear these lipsticks, like if you wear anything that I've recommended, always tag me on Instagram, post your pictures, tag me. I love seeing them and I'll definitely repost you. So that's it for today's video. Now I'm going to just go on with the swatches so that you guys can just watch the swatches and directly shop. So yes guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.